Hi everyone, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Bimbim Guksu. For this dish we need to cook a serving of Asian wheat noodles or soba, rinse them off and set that aside. For our sauce we need 2 cloves of garlic, some sesame seeds, a little chicken bouillon, gochugaru, plum sauce or honey if you don't have plum sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, vinegar. I'm using apple cider. Use whatever vinegar you have. Tiny little bit of fish sauce for some funkiness and depth. And it wouldn't be a Korean dish without gochujang. Mix it up until that's thoroughly mixed. Tip in your noodles and coat them thoroughly in this gorgeous, spicy, savory, sweet little sauce. Now I'm not going to show you the plating because I messed it up. I'm still working on my plating game. We're going to top with a little kimchi, some fresh cucumber, a little scallion, adds a little color as well, and a hard-boiled egg. And this is looking absolutely appetizing. Now let's go ahead and give this a taste. It's a little spicy, a little sweet. The noodles are cold and refreshing, and this is so easy and absolutely delicious. But there it is, Bimbim Guksu. I hope you all try to make this in your home. Thank you so much for spending time with me once again today. I appreciate every single one of you. If you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you again, and until next time, happy cooking.